Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're a returner, then what's up? So today we're going to be doing a plan with me, and we are planning for July 15th through July 21st. So I decided that I wanted to kick it old school and bring back squad goals. So that is the book that we're going to be working with today. And if you want to see what I come up with, then just stay tuned. So like I said, I decided that I wanted to bring out squad goals this time and use some of the summer stickers that they have in here. I'm totally obsessed with. So that is what we're gonna do. So we are gonna get planning. I'm gonna add this sticker here, and then we're gonna put that today right on top. That is one of our first things that we need to remember that day. I'm also going to add one of these remember stickers as well. Pull that, and then I'm gonna also go back and probably cut one of these. I'm loving these beach girls here, so I'm gonna take one of these. Right there. Ooh, and a palm tree. I'll add the palm tree down here. So right here, I'm just gonna do some of these little, I'm gonna add some of these right here just for some tasks. Grabbing my tweezers, and I'm gonna reach for maybe this purplish color. Then we have this cute Hello Summer Girl. I'm gonna grab her and maybe one of these. I'm gonna put that on top. I think on the weekend I'm just gonna do like a whole bunch of girls like laying out, enjoying themselves, just do a whole vibe. And we definitely are using this squad goal sticker. Let's grab this book so we can layer this. Incorporate a little bit of this dark purple. gonna call it quits right here. I love how this Squad Goals Plan With Me came out. I haven't been reaching for Squad Goals lately because there's so many other new books out there, but I'm glad that I decided to kind of go back to some of the original books and check them out. I really like how this Squad Goals turned out. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss a video every time I upload. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, bye.